card. Now on the gbpcad, I've been expecting a selling momentum since the beginning of the week. And if you remember where price was at during the course of yesterday's live session, we had price oscillating around the key level at 1.5920. And one thing I made mention of yesterday was that I want to see price breakdown of that 1.5920 and do a retest of that key level to take advantage of a trend continuation to the downside. So if I bring out my arrow here, let me give you a visual representation of what I'm talking about. I said I'm looking for a breakdown of that key level, which has already happened. And then I'm looking forward to a retest of structure where I'll be looking for reversal patterns on lower time frame to join the decline to the downside. However, I told you yesterday that I already had a pending order at 1.58962, which has already been triggered. I just placed that pending order with a small position. Actually, I'm using that to test waters, and let me see how price plays out. And then if we have a rejection of the key level, that is the retest of structure, then I want to double my position on this one. So now I place the pending order here at 1.58796, hoping that price will do a reversal pattern here on lower time frame to push price to the downside. So at the meantime, I have my initial take profit target sitting at around 1.575, which is about how many pips that is? About 159, I think 1.57 area, I guess, because I was talking about 200 pips yesterday. Yes, around this area as my take profit target. As if we look left, we can see that we had a reversal pattern around this area, which I identified with you yesterday. I said we had an inverse head and shoulder structure here, and we had the breakout of that structure, and there is a possibility that price could do a retest into that structure before we see a trend continuation to the upside, or probably price could break down that structure to send price crashing to the downside. So whatever happens, we just want to take advantage of a short-term bearish momentum at the meantime. So 1.57 seems to be most appropriate for our take profit target for the week. So let's see what happens during the New York session. Let's see what happens, and let's see if the bearish momentum will happen. And one thing I also want to make mention here on the gbpcad is that if we see a breakout of the bearish trend line, which also shares a confluence with the key level at 1.5920 and a retest of that area, definitely we want to be changing our bias and switching to a possible bullish potential, as price might continue to the upside if that kind of structure arises. So this is what I am looking out for on the gbpcad. Hey, IMAX, I'm so glad to see you around. I think I missed you yesterday. You were not around yesterday, I guess. Well, I'm having a good day. In fact, I'm having a very splendid day. I have quite a lot of opportunities, tons of opportunities, which I'm willing to share with you guys here today, and I hope I have enough time to do that. So I'm very good. Good morning to you. How are you, IMAX? Trust you're doing well. (679) hi, how are you? Good morning. I'm glad to have you around. I see Grace Adeoye coming in. Oh, great, Max. I'm glad you're fine. That's great. Ime, hi. Yeah, you're welcome. How are you? Trust you're doing well. So I would advise that if you're in, please stay tuned in to the end of the session, as I have quite a lot of opportunities to share with you. Sincerely, I have up to like 10-15 opportunities to share in the market today, because we have setups lining up in our favor this week. So I just hope that you'll be around till the end of the session, and let's see how many we can do for today. 679, yeah, I'm fine, thank you, and trust you're doing well too as well.